dogs, and that's a yappy dog we're trying to get away from, and we're going for a walk. This must be a nice one. What? I don't know what I said then. It's meant to be something about a nice one or a calm one. We're going for a walk. Please no fighting. Come on. Come on. Hurry up, doggies, come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry up, doggies, come on. We're singing from behind the neck scarf, so it's a bit muffled. We're going for a walk. Stop ad-libbing. Do. Yeah, let's get that bit done. Man Walks Dogs, episode 43, and I checked the calendar before I came out. This is the morning or mid-morning walk. That's the bee always now going for a poo. Right, that's you done then, because she's already been. And I've got a bit of leeway. And the yappy dog's down the bottom. I can't hear or see anyone up here. Handy. But yeah, last Friday in May this will be out, so I'm going to have a recording break just so that when I start doing the June episodes, or at least in spring or something. Right, anyway, pause for poos. Well, I'm back recording. Come on in dogs, we've got fish there coming. Class that as a... Oh, hello. Yep. Oh, sorry dog. There we go. Just swap hands, it's more natural to hold the phone in that hand. So I've got a bigger grip without buttons. And my hand's the other side than all the lenses. Alright, Mr. Man went in there, that's handy, and they're still a way off. Just trying to have a nice chill walk today, because we had 2 minutes. So the lady's coming that way, we're going to go this way. Come on! This way. That's it. Okay. You'll be interested, darling, that's fine. Good. Just interest without lunging, and reading up this morning on what's the phrase? Not lead intensity, what's it called? I need to do more reading if I can't remember it off the top of my head. Yeah. Now he's going this way. Oh, is that a different lady? No, that's the same lady. She chose not to go down to the yappy dogs as well. Yappy dogs are a pain in the bum. Well, these two had a nice social with a little dog that wasn't sure about them. And in the background there was the yappy dogs then entering the park. So I was thinking, oh god, I hope that doesn't kick them off and then scare the little dog that was brave enough to come and say hello. And then a couple of Labradoodle pups, one pup and one dog, coming in the opposite direction. Started off well, but then was it he chose to bark? Or actually no, one, I think maybe both of them chose to bark randomly. So yeah, we're still at the unpredictable stage. And as I film, we are only just 2 weeks in. I should really, that's it, move my, I only put the neck scarf on, headband, what we're going to call it, for warmth, for comfort. You got mud kicked up into your coat there, mate. Off, Missy. Hey, come here. I don't know, it's a leaf or something. Oh, lovely. Hey, wait. Can I coordinate, please? Come here. Wait. Yeah, right. I'll get that. I'll give you a proper grooming and stuff. Wait! Pulling my hand away. You. God, honestly. Right, those dogs are now there. I'm going to go out the way. Let's end this without incident. way, we'll go that way another day. You've got to learn some behaviour training before we go further afield, I think. Yeah, what day is it today? Tuesday? Or yeah, it's Tuesday today. As I film. Sunday was their 2-week anniversary with us. Sunday afternoon. So yeah, they're there now. Right, let's move. Let's get away from the gate. There you go. There we go. Hey. Oh, you're showing interest then. Lady with a baby and a carrier thing on her chest. Or was that just because it was the person passing you wanted to sniff the moment they'd gone past you? I don't know. I haven't seen what you're like with kids. That was a baby. I know he's great with kids. Oh, Mr. Man with his high-vis jacket come along doing the bins by things. Or picking and by things actually. I've been startled by a few workmen in fluoro jackets, high vis. We're going to go back through the park and we're just going to go on the street. What do you reckon, dogs? Well, they're now over there, so I'm going to go back in the park because I think they're now heading out. Well, they're going around. Yeah. We'll go back in. We'll be bold. That's it. All right, lovely. Come on. Yeah. Good girl. There you are. Oh, hello. Those kids. One here, and that, and there. Wait. Hey, where are we at? 7.5. Yes, Yappy Mayhem now heading across the road over there out the way. Finally, we're going to have a chilled walk without further incidents. Not that there have been particularly today. And Mr. Man with the Labradoodles was very complimentary in how they'd been with the dog prior, because he could see it. It's going so well. He's saying, yeah, doing well, you know, etc. I need to blow my nose down. Wait a minute. Runny nose. Alright, there we go. Okay, thank you. That's it. Hey. Yeah. Wow, that was bold. She's normally nervy people, and she has been nervier buggies. They're rescues, so that was an improvement. Yeah.
Oh, he's quite used to dogs, so.
Yeah, he's very good with kids and
yes.
Like friendly with people and that.
What sort of dogs are they?
They're Romanian Shepherd.
Wow,
Yeah.
they're lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, if I get you you can come say hello if you want.
Did you rescue them?
Yeah, they are rescues. Yeah.
Yeah, from Romania.
Yeah. Well, they've been in kennels over here for a few months, but then we're now fostering them.
Yes.
With the plan to adopt, or someone else adopt something.
Yeah. They really are very striking.
Yeah, I had quite a few compliments yesterday. Funny enough,
Yes.
I was quite impressed.
Yes, they're very striking. Because
Yeah.
you just don't usually see that kind of dog in the UK, do you?
I suppose not. No.
So it's sort of like first question is, what are they?
It's like the Romanian rescues. You know, I had been used to the idea of Romanian rescues over here the last few years, but the ones I got mentally in my mind weren't of the shepherd type.
Right. Yes.
You know, the much short coat with the mix of.
Yes, I know what you mean.
Yeah. The ones with the distinct eyebrows. Yeah.
Which is what you automatically think when you think of Romania.
Exactly. You only sort of stupidly only think of one breed, but they've got all same as us. You know, there's all sorts. Yeah.
Yeah. And do these ones have to be clipped?
We haven't got as far as we've got a friend who's a groomer. We haven't got as far as that yet. We've only had them a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We're getting a bit of matted hair out of them, and that haven't got all of it out yet.
Yes.
Grooming's one of my jobs this afternoon.
Yeah.
Bless them.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, they do look so they take quite a lot of looking after in that respect.
Yeah.
Yes.
A lot of sweeping up afterwards as well.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, I better crack on because I do tend to kick off with the happy dogs.
Okay then.
All right,
Nice.
cheers. Nice to see you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Come on, we'll move out of the way. Come on. You alright? Thank you. He's not happy, boy. Oh, you weren't. No, you were. I mean, you were pulling that way, but you weren't. Oh, we'll end on that good note. No dogs. Is that one of them smoker messages against it is, yes. Right. I'm leaving you stiffen that then. Oh, or marking it, yeah, as a sign of disrespect. Yeah, kick dirt out of it. There's just no dogs in there. Anyway, yeah, right. Bye. See you in June.